Dear curious friend, welcome to my laboratory. Here you can observe one of the earliest electronically functioning computers that I personally designed to aid me in the development of the hydrogen bomb. Regrettably, the electron tubes tend to malfunction frequently, so I'd like to request your assistance in repairing and testing them. You can find all the necessary components required for the repair on the table in front of you. To begin, look for a metal frame and place a circuit board in it. Then proceed by inserting an electron tube. To assist you, I've drawn a diagram in my notes. Find a metal frame and place a circuit board into it. And then, excellent! Next up are 3 resistors. Each color corresponds to the value indicated on the label of its box. Insert resistors whose sum equals the value that I've calculated. For your convenience, I've written this down in my notes. Put 3 resistors into it based on the calculation in the notes. This is not right like this. Use different resistors. Nice job! Now insert the assembled electron tube component into the 3-slot compartment found on the table. You need to prepare 2 additional electron tube components. Let's get started on the next one, but be careful. This electron tube component requires different resistors. I'll show you the corresponding diagram. You can find the components in the boxes on the table. Well done! Insert this one into the compartment as well. Now comes the last component, which you will insert into the last available slot in the compartment. I've drawn a diagram to show you the procedure. Insert the vacuum tube component into one of the free slots of the compartment on the table. Looks good. Now it's time to test it. Please hand me the compartment. Let's see if it works. Now a test calculation will be run on the computer and the result will appear on the teleprinter. Despite the fact that the machine occasionally requires maintenance, it is considered very reliable. Back in the day, we ran nuclear calculations on it day and night for 60 days, and it made barely half a dozen errors. At the time, this was considered unbelievably good, and it was 4 times faster than its contemporaries. Take the paper out of the teleprinter. Check to see if the results are correct, then give it to me. Take the paper out of the... Please take the magnetic tape out of the machine next to you and hand it to me. Take the magnetic tape out of the machine next to you and hand it to me. Thank you for your help. I hope to see you again.